Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to edge a cashmere shawl by hand. I'll show you how to make a macrame style stitches. Of course, it's not the first time I'm going to do it. First of all, you need to find an edge of a shawl. To do that, you need to get a thread out of a piece of fabric and then cut a shawl along the stripe. You won't be able to cut such fabric accurately any other way. 1 centimeter further, you need to pull out several more threads to make such stripes. Have a look at them. Of course, I could have got these threads out too, but it's not convenient to work this way. These threads on the edges would get in the needle, and it would make the process much harder. It's much easier to work with a 4 or 5 millimeter wide stripe. When a shawl is ready, I'll get the rest of the threads out. This is how a shawl should look like before you start sewing. When I finish working, the edges will be decorated by small tassels. Have a look here. Make a tiny knot on a thread. Start sewing about 5 or 6 threads to the left from the edge and 3 threads down from the edge. This is where the thread is situated now. Next, I need to wrap the thread around 5 or 6 threads. You can see that the thread is just wrapped around these ones. The first tassel is ready. Now I wrap it one more time and make a stitch 5 threads further. You need to do the same thing once again. First I wrap the threads and then make a stitch 5 threads further. I'll do it one more time. Tie 5 or 6 threads together, not more. Watch how I work. I do one and the same thing again and again. Notice how I hold the thread when sewing. I do it for a knot to be placed at the very bottom. I want to show you the whole process very thoroughly once again. Have a look at what I'm doing. Be very careful and don't rush. First, I wanted to show you this technique on a piece of a modeling fabric, so that I could work with a thread of different color. But then I've decided that the technique is simple enough. I'm making this item not just for a tutorial. I've just decided to show you how I make one of the items ordered in our fashion house. This is how the shawl looks like now. I've put a piece of paper underneath for you to see everything more clearly. Have a close look at what I'm doing once again. Hold the thread this way in order to make a knot at the very bottom. One more tassel is ready. When a side is ready, you can get these threads out. Do it this way. Do not try to get all the threads out at once. I'm not getting them out because not the whole edge is ready yet. At the same time, I want to show you how the edge looks like. Get the threads out one by one. You can get them all out before you start working, but I want you to know that it will be much harder to work this way. This is how the edges should look like. This edge will be processed the same way. This is how the shawl will look like when it's ready. I know that you may think that this technique is complicated, but actually it's very simple. I'll get these threads out when I finish working. Don't be afraid to make items by hands. It's very satisfying to wear items you make yourself. I've already told you how to make this edge straight. Do it by getting a thread out. This is the only way to make this line straight. I've made the edges about 1.2 centimeters wide. You can make them of any width you want. I like them this way. I think this is the best way to edge cashmere shawls. There is no chance that someone will accidentally make a shawl for you. So take a piece of cashmere and start working. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.